Hey guys and gals, welcome to Sweet Project Cars with cool, trick, and affordable ways for the do-it-yourselfer. Oh, and simple ways. Today we're going to share with you how to paint something with a clear coat, a 2K clear, where you don't need these rigs right here. Okay, you won't need these. You can do this on just about every surface out there. It will protect it better than almost anything going, and all you're going to do is use this right here. I'm going to share with you how to do it, and I'm going to do it on something that's been agitating me quite a bit, and that's this dull bumper and bumper cover. Now I could do the grill, I could do all this. This stuff I'm going to paint on here is going to blow your mind. Now I don't have to do this because once I paint this I could do 303 on here, which would protect it, but the clear coat is a 2K clear that we're going to spray on here, and it'll blow your mind on, as I said, how nice it's going to look. And we're going to try to do this video without any editing. It'll be the first time ever. Now I'm going to make some stupid remarks and stupid statements and movements, but we're just going to let it flow. So what I'm going to do is get this all taped up, papered up, and I'll be right back. GoPro, stop recording. All right, we decided we're going to clear this and clear this. And clear this, the spoiler, the bumper, and the bumper cover. First thing we're going to do is clean it with old 99. This will strip off any of the 303 that we had on there. Clean it up good. It evaporates really quick and it's safe. On the bumper cover, we'll probably do it a couple of times because I know that's got a lot of 303 on it, or it was 303 at least 6 months ago. And we have some tiny little paint chips. I'm not going to worry about that, these tiny little paint chips, because this is a bumper. You can hit it with a tack cloth if you want. You don't have to because it is a bumper. Now if you're doing a door panel or your paint is faded, this is the stuff that I'm going to spray on here that you want to use. And what I do is I put it on heavy enough that it runs right off, runs the dirt and garbage right off it. Always start at the top and spray down. The less you use the rag, the less lint that you get. Now you can wash your vehicle beforehand, which is a good idea, but I'm saving you a bunch of time not doing that. Talk about coming clean, look how dirty it is. Pretty dirty. Talk about coming clean. When you get ready to wash it again, the dirt just falls off. And then after this, you can actually use the ceramic coating on it. Julio, tell everybody where all the tools and products will be.
Buscar en el show más de la descripción de video para todas las herramientas.
Thank you, Julio Cesar Chavez Rodriguez. We like to use the blue towels. A lot less lint on them. Alright, what we're going to do is blow it off. You can use a tack rag, as I said. Try not to touch it like I just did there. You can wipe it all down with lacquer thinner if you're concerned about the plastic having any of the 303 still in it. But we're going to blow all the lint off. Again, it's just a bumper, but we want to try to do the best job we can for the customer, who is me. And again, we're going to try to do this with no editing. Now, it is a heat index today, about 110 degrees, and the sweat's just dripping off me. So, I would rather have this than Michigan snow, I'll tell you that right now. I got to make sure my sweat doesn't drip on there. Alright, now on this 2K clear, right, all we do is take this cap off. After you push this plunger in down here, you'll have, this can will be good for 48 hours, which is its pot life. Okay, now don't take that wrong, it's pot life. 48 hours after you push this plunger in. So we're going to shake it for 2 minutes and then push the plunger in and shake it for 2 minutes. Alright, there's 2 minutes. We're going to push this here. We're going to put it down on the ground, push it in. Just like that. It's now punctured the can inside. Now we shake it for 2 minutes. There's a little can inside there with the activator. We'll shake it for 2 minutes now. Alright. And when you spray it, see, I could have edited that last thing out, but I'm not going to edit it out. When you spray it, stay 10 inches away, start top to bottom, and you can put as many coats on as you want. And depends on your weather and humidity, how long you let it wait. We usually like to let it get a little tacky and then put another coat on. So let's get cracking. All right. All right, we'll come around this side, stand back here and get a look at it. It looks pretty good. We're going to let it set for about a minute or two here, and then I'm going to hit the bumper quick one more time for any faded spots. We'll do that right now. Now, this will be a heavier coat. All right, we'll stand back away from it. Now, how's that look, guys and gals? What do you think, camera lady? Nice. Now we can let that dry and actually put another coat on it if we want. GoPro, stop recording.